again. So today is another unboxing video. So I've received another order of art supplies from Jackson's, and that's an art supplier in England. I think they deliver to Europe as well. So I just thought I'd show you what I got. So I just got my partner to take out the packing slip inside, but I haven't looked at what I've got yet, so let's dive in and see what I got. Yes, so I'm going to be making some watercolour painting kits. So I wanted to test out these White Night watercolours. So they're the tube paints, because I heard they were quite good, so I wanted to try them out and see if they would be good for my watercolour painting kits, so you can use those. So let's have a look. So we've got 12 colours in 10mm tubes. That's good, it gives all the ones on the back. So we've got a lemon yellow, cadmium yellow, an orangey colour, cadmium red, carmine, so a nice pinky red as well. Cerulean blue, so a nice greeny blue. Ultramarine blue, so a warm blue. Emerald green, green. Raw sienna, sepia and black. So actually that's a good range of colours. We've got our warm and our cooler reds. We've got our cool blue and our warm blue. Two yellows as well, two greens, raw sienna, which is a good colour to use if that or yellow ochre are good to have in your set. A nice brown. I don't really use black, so that's not. But yeah, quite pleased with those colours in that set. Let's just have a little look inside, shall we? Gaze at the beauty of the new paints that we have. So let's have a look at one of these. So this is the raw sienna, so not opened yet. Good. So I'll be excited to try those out. So that is those. Excellent. So I can get making my kits now and then suggesting which colours to use. So what else? I think I got a lot of watercolour paints in this order. Ooh, didn't order that. So that is a freebie. Thank you, Jackson's Art. So, Ultramarine. Actually, I was looking at their paints on their website, and I was umming and ahhing about whether to try them out. So that's good to get one of those. So that's one of their 10mm liquid watercolours, or tube watercolours. So yeah, really good to get that so I can try out their colours and see how they compare. What else did I get? So permanent sap green. So I got a full pan of that because my green in my Winsor & Newton set is getting a little bit low, but I think they only had the full pan, whereas my set is half pans, so I'll have to see what to do about that. Cadmium free lemon, yes, so I saw these cadmium free colours that they had on the website as well, so I'm quite keen to try out those. Cadmium is not good for you, so it's good to see what these colours are like. So I've got the cadmium free red as well. So my Winsor & Newton professional set, so it's the 24 set, let me show you. It comes with these reds here. So the Windsor red is the nearest to kind of a letterbox red or a kind of London bus red, that bright kind of tomato red. But it's still a little bit pinky, I find. I just wanted a red that was a bit more towards the kind of orange spectrum. So I thought I would see what the cadmium free red was like. So yeah, so I was running it out of my Windsor yellow again, and I thought I'd just see what this yellow was like in comparison. So they are the half pans of the Professional Winsor & Newton range. And I get some more Professional Watercolour Payne's Grey. This might have been, yeah, so not necessarily that colour actually. I think I got a couple of tubes of Winsor & Newton Professional. So these are smaller than 10mm, they look. Yep, 5mm each. So I got a Payne's Grey and a yellow ochre. So they were just to supplement these white night paints, just in case they didn't have colours like these ones in there. But it looks like one of them is similar to, we've got a raw sienna instead of our yellow ochre, so don't necessarily need that one as well, but they'll all get used. So a lot of paints in this delivery. Not a huge haul this time, but just what I needed to top up my watercolour paint supplies as I get through them in my classes and my painting. Now my kit's getting a little bit low. Really excited to try out the Jackson's paint colour and compare it to the Winsor & Newton. So artist watercolour this is, so yeah, it'd be good to try out. And it's ultramarine, and I use ultramarine a lot in my work. So that is today's delivery of art supplies. A lot of lovely paint there. So, and thank you to Jackson's for that free paint. I didn't know I was getting that. Maybe it's because I bought a lot of watercolour paint. And that paint set from the White Knight St. Petersburg watercolour set. So it's a set of 12. It was £21.68. So not bad for a set of 12 tubes if they're good quality. And the Winsor & Newton Professional tubes, they were £5. And the I think the cadmium free paints were a little bit more expensive. So the cadmium free red was £6.94 and the yellow was, let me see, it was £6.94 as well. So they're a little bit more expensive than the standard range. So for example, the green full pan is £5.61 and those are £6.94. So that gives you a bit of a comparison. But yeah, looking forward to trying those out, and thanks for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed this video and looking at these paints that I got, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!